Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I don't have a lot of time today. I'm just going to very quickly degrease the engine compartments on both cars so we can pull the plugs, put oil down the cylinders, and try to turn them over. I found that oven cleaner works the best, the heavy duty oven cleaner. It's absolutely wonderful for cutting grease, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And as usual, these cars will be cleaned up soon. I'm hoping tomorrow I'll get everything done on them the rest of the way and get very detailed photos and videos uploaded to YouTube so you guys can possibly, or potential buyers can see that. I'll put my contact information in the end of this video because both these Cadillacs are looking for good homes. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get started. So as you can see, not too bad, just the typical grease, dust, things like that. So I'm just going to give everything a really good spray. You guys have seen me do this in all my videos. And like I said, I've tried all different kinds of degreasers, and the oven cleaner just really works awesome. It will take your breath away, so sorry for me coughing, but I am obviously out in the open air, very ventilated, but still it's pretty strong stuff, so try and hold my breath. So on our 54 here, I'm going to have to be careful. I'm going to have to go get a rag to stuff down in the carburetor and then just obviously avoid that area. I don't know if I have the air cleaner for this one in the trunk. Haven't even begun to look that over yet. We will find that out most likely tomorrow. But our 59, you can see all the degreaser has pretty much lost its foam. So we are ready to start spraying it down. All right, so the 59 is done. We're just gonna let it dry off now. The degreaser did a very good job. I'll still probably do a little bit more like on these areas right here. It's kind of sludgy still, but that honestly looks like dirt and not grease. But as for the motor, cleaned up pretty nice. Also took some of the paint off, unfortunately, but it is what it is. At least it'll be a little bit less greasy for pulling plugs and working on it and things like that. All right, so to protect obviously from water going down on the engine, I'm gonna put this over it first. Like I said, it's only for splash purposes because I'm not gonna spray anywhere around the carburetor. We'll do 2 layers of nice thick rags, just for splash worries. All right, so the 54 is also done. So this surface rust here on the bumper, I can't wait to take some SOS pads to. It's just so light, it'll just buff right off instantly. But anyway, here's the motor, a little bit cleaner to work with. They both have this pink hue to them of like primer, but the 59 is paint code 12. I believe that's Dover white. So that car was a white car, and then this one, when I decode the tag over here, let me see, take you guys over here and show you that. It is paint code number 4, and I believe it's like a lilac color. So this one may very well be the original paint on the car. This 59, though, I know has some primer to it. But anyway, so yeah. That's all we're going to be doing for today, guys. Just a short, quick video, but a little bit of progress will make a difference. See you guys hopefully in the morning to finish cleaning up these cars. Have a blessed day, everybody. Take care.